You can set up a PLR membership site. Sells complete but editable private label rights material that members can and must adapt and customize for their own product and put their own name on. Can include single product package with supporting graphic and content, sales letter, graphics, emails, articles, mini freebie report. Multiple content item package on one topic, articles or reports only, no promotional material. Single content items on one topic that you can purchase by the piece, reports, ebooks, videos, articles, blog posts. With the single product package, the main product is usually one of the following: 20-plus page report, ebook, high-quality video or video series, course with 3 lessons or more that can be released daily, weekly, monthly. Master resale rights site. Similar to a PLR club, but sells finished content that members cannot put their own name on or edit. Comes with graphics and a sales letter. This format allows you to sell content covering a wide variety of subjects in just about any niche you can imagine. The key to success will be in creating clear categories on subjects people crave. It's a good option if you are not focusing on one particular niche, other than master resales. Tiered programs. It doesn't matter what type of membership or subscription site you decide on, you can tier your site to make maximum dollars and please the maximum number of members. You've seen tiered models. They often follow this type of structure. Silver. Basic membership, often free on sign-up. Gold. Extra resources not available to the Silver group, very limited one-on-one access to the site owner, e.g. one direct email question per week. Platinum. Elite group with unlimited access to site owner, other perks not available to Gold or Silver group. It doesn't have to be Silver, Gold, Platinum, of course. Some people make Bronze their free level, others add Diamond for high-level Elite memberships, others come up with more creative tier names geared for their niche's unique jargon. Payment models. You will also need to decide which payment models work best for you and for your subscribers. With most membership site systems, which we'll cover in Section 3, you'll be able to choose from multiple payment options. Understanding your customer, however, is the real key to making these options work their strongest magic. Tailor your payments to her paying preferences as well as to her budget, and you're more likely to attract paying subscribers. At the very least, your membership site system should allow regular recurring payments, e.g. $17.95 per month, upgrades, e.g. graduating to new level with more features, as in from Silver to Gold level, lifetime memberships, converting reoccurring payments to a final, single, one-time lump sum or switching someone to a paid status while still allowing them site access. Lifetime memberships are a vital component of most reoccurring income programs. Even if you don't offer or allow it initially, this is a handy option to have up your sleeve when your member has gone through the natural life cycle of a membership site. Yes, a good membership site will keep people happy to pay for years, but in reality, about 2 years is a maximum you can count on before your average member finally outgrows you. Offering a lifetime membership, free or paid, to alumni can keep them engaged with your site, particularly if it has a forum where they can mentor new members, saving you time and money. But no matter what system you set in place, you need to at least consider whether or not to add value to your membership site by including a forum, or making it a forum-based site completely. In our next section, we'll explore the forum option closely, so you can make an informed decision from a position of strength.